please don't forget to subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi. I know it's been a while, yeah, a little bit too long, but hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Marian. Oh no, you're not seeing my face today. If you're seeing my channel for the first time, you're coming across my channel for the first time, welcome to me, Deli'scorner. So yeah, as you can see, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my video. So today I am going to do a quick recipe on how you can make quick vegetable soup. So yeah, before I go to work, so I wanted to make it like, oh yeah, let me just record this for you guys. So here I go. So yeah, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and forget to follow me on Instagram at may_Deli'scorner. So let's get on with this video. So I've got my ingredients here. I've got crayfish, as you can see here. I've got my seasoning cube, no, I've got salt. Here is the vegetable. I actually found the green leaf, you guys, fresh one here in the store. When I saw it, I quickly grabbed it. It was just two left, so I had to take it. So I'm gonna mix it with I couldn't get fresh what's it called now, fresh ugu or pumpkin leaf, so I bought frozen ones. So I've got some in here. I've got my tomatoes, onions, and fresh pepper diced over here. I've got my goat meat diced. Yeah, I like it like this, tiny bit. And here I've got smoked fish and smoked prawns. And so yeah, let's start, guys. I already have my pot on the fire. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with my vegetable oil. Let that heat up a little bit. Okay guys, I already have my onions here frying away. So I usually like to cook the onions down a little bit more. There's a little bit of tomatoes inside because I slice them on the same bowl like I already showed you guys. So now I'm just gonna add my tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, diced, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna add all that in. I know it looks like it's a lot, but trust me, it's really not. So I'm gonna add that in, and we are going to cover that, let it cool down. Okay, just cover it and leave it to simmer for, I usually don't like giving time frames. So leave it to cook for 5 minutes, 3 minutes of that. I usually eyeball my cooking, so I'll come back and when it, yeah, probably leave it for about 3 minutes, or when you feel like it's the right consistency for you, because you know what, I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay, and then we'll be back to check on that and add more ingredients to that. Okay guys, I'm back, and yeah, so this is what we have. So I usually like to add my meat to the sauce as soon as possible, because I like my meat absorbing everything that is in my soup. So I'm gonna add this in. I know it might not be how you do things, but that's what I like to do. For that, add my crayfish on the side, and yeah, okay, just give that turn. Yes, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. You know, everybody cook their things differently. I cook everything I cook it differently anyway. So yeah. So I've got this dry fish that is still a little bit hard. So I'm gonna put that in as well to cook in. I'm gonna put everything in. Put that in. I just clean it with warm water, so it's very dry. It's not stockfish, so it's not catfish as well. It's not dried catfish. I can't remember the name of the fish. If I remember, I'm gonna insert the name on the video, so I know. Yes. What do they call this in Nigeria? Obstacle. There's a lot of obstacle in this in this sauce. Oh my goodness. I like that. Just trying to press it down so that we'll have enough time. Yep. So all that time, I'm just gonna put my seasoning cube. I use no seasoning cube, the chicken flavor. So I'm gonna put that in. I've got 2 cubes by the way, so I'm gonna put that in. I've got salt. I measure. Okay. No more. I've got salt. I know tablespoon. I don't use tablespoon, so to measure whatever. So just a tiny bit of salt. I really don't like using too much salt. And this is sea salt, fine white sea salt by the way. So I've got that. Where did I put the cover? Okay, that's the cover. So we're just gonna cover this again. So let it cook. Let the meat absorb all that sauce and all the, why I usually just put no cube and then cover it and let it cook down, because after it cooks down a bit, then I'll be able to tell if I need more or if I need more salt or what I need to add a bit more. I usually put less, what do you call it now? Less seasoning at first, and then cover it, let it cook down. Then when I come back and open it and try it and see what it tastes like, then I can adjust the flavor. If I need to add a little bit more, I add, but I don't want to add too much at first. So we're gonna cover that and let it cook. You see that? Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So we're gonna cover that and let that cook, and then we'll come back to check on it. Okay guys, so after about 5 minutes, wow, when they say, what a wow, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? So by the time you're putting the vegetable inside, just know the soup is like it's almost ready. So I'm just gonna give that a taste. See? Oh my god. That is delicious. That is delicious. Okay. So now, just turn that down a little. So now, I'm gonna add my vegetable. So I'm gonna go with the spinach first. spinach is not a lot, so I'm gonna go with that. You can add more vegetable if you want, depending on what you're looking for. So it might look, I know you might be thinking this is a lot, but trust me, it's really not. So I'm gonna press that down. Press that down. Press that down. Okay. I've cleaned up actually. I usually clean up after myself anyways when I'm cleaning, when I'm cooking, because I don't like keeping dishes, you know. So I have my kitchen napkin over here, so I'm just gonna I don't like keeping dishes when I'm cooking, so I wash as I go along. With that then. So we're just gonna cover this so that let this steam. Oh, that looks good actually. Let's just cover this for. We've got one. See, forgot to dice that. I'm just gonna use my hand. Okay, let's just cover this for a minute, for 1 minute, and let it cook down. Okay guys, it's been about 1 minute. Remember I turned down the gas or yeah. So I'm just gonna turn that in. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh my goodness. You know, I actually thought the vegetable more than this. But it seems to just melt, so just melted inside. But it's okay. It's okay. Because usually when I cook vegetable soup, I use it to eat eba, pounded yam, or rice. So when I make vegetable soup, I don't bother making stew. So yeah. So that's it. It's cooked. I'm gonna turn off the gas, and yeah. See, the leaves are still green. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, can come and eat, you know, 1 plate of vegetable soup, £50. So post your plates and then I'll send you my PayPal details. Oh, that's funny. So yeah, the soup is ready, and so I'm gonna dish it for you guys to see. Anyways, that's the end of this video. That's how I make my quick vegetable soup. I use for boiled rice and eba. It's delicious. And oh, let me taste it one more time. Let me not just say it's delicious because I made it. It is delicious. So yeah, don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you want me to make. My mouth is watering. I'm chewing, guys. Sorry about that. Comment down below any food you would like me to show you how I make my version of it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and follow me on Instagram at May_Deli'scorner. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Thank you. And once again, before I forget, don't forget, Jesus is coming soon. He loves you and I love you too. Bye guys. See you.